Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're exploring the charming neighborhood of Loren Cove here in Viera. Nestled within Addison Village, Loren Cove is a sought-after community with 298 homes. With a mix of 160 quadplex and 138 duplex-style homes, the community caters to a wide range of styles. The community's design ensures that each residence boasts the privacy and feel of a single-family home, regardless of whether it's a duplex or a quadplex. Houses range from 1,400 to 1,800 square feet, featuring 2-bedroom floor plans with dedicated offices or spacious 3-bedroom designs. Each home is equipped with a 2-car garage, shingle roofs, and they offer a contemporary styling. Governed by 3 HOAs, the Viera Master Association, Loren Cove itself, and the Addison Village Clubhouse, residents enjoy benefits like lawn care, landscaping, and exterior maintenance, making it an optimal choice for maintenance-free living. But living in Loren Cove isn't just about the homes. It's about embracing the Florida lifestyle. Residents can enjoy playgrounds and green spaces, as well as the Addison Village Club, which allows homeowners to have access to tennis, pickleball, basketball, 2 swimming pools, volleyball, and a whole lot more. Loren Cove's location means you're just minutes away from the avenues for shopping, dining, and nightlife. Plus, a brand new public shopping plaza is opening right across the street. That plaza is scheduled to have a pizza place, a sushi restaurant, as well as a Wits frozen custard. And trust me, if you haven't been to a Wits frozen custard yet, you need to go. You will not be disappointed. And let's not forget about Melbourne's pristine beaches, which are just a short 15-minute drive away. As well, Orlando International Airport and the Orlando area attractions are all less than an hour's drive. Loren Cove in Viera West offers upscale living with the convenience of a prime location. It truly is a real estate gem just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Loren Cove. Don't forget to like and share. And for more real estate insights and community highlights in Viera West, be sure to subscribe. My name is Richard Chase, and I look forward to seeing you around Viera.